Hey everyone, listen, we've all heard it a million times, invest in yourself. But where do we even start? It's 2025 and AI is blowing up big time. We're talking about skills, people. Skills that can make you some serious bank. Over the past decade, AI has been sneaking into every industry like that one friend who shows up to every party uninvited. In this video, we're spilling the tea on 10 AI skills that are hotter than a phone on a charger, and they can make you richer than you ever thought possible. Okay, first up, we've got generative AI. Now, this isn't some sci-fi movie stuff, people. This is real life. Generative AI is like that friend who can whip up a gourmet meal from 3 random ingredients in your fridge. It can create anything from images and music to entire websites. Companies are freaking out, in a good way, over generative AI, and they're throwing money at anyone who can speak the language. We're talking AI consulting, automation, content creation, you name it. Generative AI is there. And the best part? You can make bank doing this. So if you're creative and you're down to learn some seriously cool tech, generative AI might just be your new bestie. Data, it's everywhere. It's like the digital dust bunnies of the internet. But unlike actual dust bunnies, data is valuable. And that's where AI-powered data analysis comes in. AI swoops in with its fancy algorithms and puts all the pieces together, revealing hidden patterns and insights that would make Sherlock Holmes jealous. Businesses are obsessed with data because it tells them what's working, what's not, and what customers actually want. Entry-level AI data analysts are starting at around $70,000 a year, which is nothing to sneeze at. So if you've got a knack for numbers and you're not afraid of a little digital detective work, AI-powered data analysis might be your calling. Remember that time you tried to order a pizza in Italy using only hand gestures and Google Translate? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that AI is making language barriers a thing of the past? AI-powered language translation has come a long way, baby. AI can now understand context, tone, and even humor, making communication smoother than a freshly waxed... Well, you get the idea. This opens up a whole world of opportunities for anyone who wants to work in translation, localization, or content creation. Fluent AI-assisted translators are earning anywhere from $50,000 to $120,000 per year. So, if you're a language enthusiast who dreams of connecting with people from all over the world, AI-powered language translation might be your ticket to a fulfilling and lucrative career. Okay, let's talk sales and marketing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sales? Marketing? That sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. But hold up. AI is shaking things up in the sales and marketing world, making it way more exciting and profitable. Imagine this. You're a salesperson, but instead of cold calling hundreds of people a day, you've got AI working its magic in the background, identifying hot leads and personalizing customer interactions. And for all you marketing gurus out there, AI can help you create laser-focused ad campaigns that reach the right people at the right time. Top sales professionals who've embraced the power of AI are earning over $100,000 in commissions, with some even exceeding $200,000. Talk about closing deals like a boss. So, if you're ready to ditch the outdated sales tactics and level up your marketing game, AI is the way to go. All right, all my tech-savvy peeps, this one's for you. Get ready to dive into the future of coding. If you thought coding was cool before, get ready to have your mind blown because AI-enhanced coding is here to change the game. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie where your coding dreams come true. Think of it like this. You're a coder, right? You love the thrill of solving complex problems and creating something out of nothing. But let's be real. You spend hours, days, even weeks writing code, debugging, and trying to make everything work seamlessly. It can be exhausting and sometimes frustrating. Now imagine having an AI assistant that's basically a coding ninja, helping you write code faster, cleaner, and with fewer errors. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips. With AI by your side, you can build apps and software at lightning speed, which means you can take on more projects and boost your earning potential. Imagine the possibilities. The demand for skilled AI developers is through the roof. Companies are on the lookout for talent that can harness the power of AI. We're talking starting salaries of around $80,000 for junior developers, while those seasoned coding wizards in Silicon Valley are raking in upwards of $250,000 per year. The financial rewards are immense. So, if you're ready to become a coding superhero, mastering AI-assisted programming is the key. Embrace the future and let AI take your coding skills to the next level. Now, I know what you're thinking. Soft skills? In a video about AI? What gives? But hold up, my friends, because soft skills are more important than ever in this tech-driven world. We're talking communication, leadership, teamwork, problem solving, the whole shebang. And guess what? AI can actually help you level up your people skills. That's right. AI coaching tools are here to help you refine those all-important soft skills that employers are looking for. Imagine having an AI coach that can analyze your communication style, give you feedback on your leadership skills, and even help you navigate tricky negotiations. And here's the kicker. People with strong soft skills are more likely to get promoted, earn higher salaries, and just generally kill it in the workplace. So don't underestimate the power of AI-powered soft skills development. All right, let's talk websites. In today's digital age, having a killer website is non-negotiable. But building a website from scratch can feel like trying to assemble IKEA furniture blindfolded. Frustrating, time-consuming, and you're never quite sure if you're doing it right. But fear not, my friends, because AI is here to save the day and your sanity. AI-powered website builders are like the superheroes of the web development world, allowing you to create stunning, professional-looking websites in minutes, even if you don't know HTML from a hole in the ground. Freelance web developers who've embraced the power of AI are charging anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 per project. So, if you've ever dreamed of becoming a web development wizard, AI in web development is the way to go. Gamers, assemble! If you thought the gaming world was epic before, get ready to have your mind blown because AI is taking game development to a whole new level. We're not just talking about smarter NPCs or more realistic graphics, though let's be real, those are pretty awesome. AI is now being used to create entire game worlds, generate complex storylines, and even design levels that adapt to your playing style. And for all you aspiring game developers out there, AI is your new best friend. With AI-powered tools, you can bring your game ideas to life faster and more efficiently than ever before, even if you're a one-person development team. Indie developers and AI-assisted game designers are earning anywhere from $80,000 to $150,000 per year, with even higher salaries for those working in those coveted AAA studios. Calling all content creators, YouTubers, and video editing enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this message is for you. If you're tired of spending hours upon hours hunched over your computer, painstakingly editing videos frame by frame, then listen up because AI video editing is here to save the day and your sanity. Imagine no more late nights and endless frustration. AI-powered editing suites are like having a magic wand that can cut, trim, enhance, and polish your videos with just a few clicks. It's like having a professional editor at your fingertips, ready to bring your vision to life. We're talking automated video transcription, scene detection, object tracking, and even special effects that would make George Lucas proud. These tools can transform your raw footage into a cinematic masterpiece. AI video editing can help you create professional quality videos in a fraction of the time, which means you can pump out more content, reach a wider audience, and boost your earning potential. Imagine the possibilities when you can focus more on creativity and less on tedious tasks. AI video editors are in high demand, with some charging up to $1,000 per video. This technology is not just a tool, it's a game changer for your career. So if you're ready to ditch the tedious editing grind and embrace the future of video creation, AI is the way to go. Step into the future and let AI transform your editing process. Let's be real, social media can feel like a full-time job. The constant notifications, the pressure to stay relevant, and the need to engage with your audience can be overwhelming. Between creating engaging content, scheduling posts, analyzing data, and trying to keep up with the ever-changing algorithms, it's enough to make your head spin. It's like juggling multiple tasks at once, each demanding your full attention. But fear not, my social media mavens, because AI is here to make your life a whole lot easier and more profitable. Imagine having a tool that can handle the mundane tasks while you focus on creativity and strategy. AI social media management tools are like having a personal social media assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to boost your online presence and grow your following. These tools can help you stay ahead of the curve. We're talking automated post scheduling, content optimization, hashtag analysis, and even AI-powered chatbots that can handle customer inquiries 24/7. These features can save you hours of work each week. Skilled AI-powered social media managers are in high demand, earning anywhere from $50,000 for entry-level positions to a whopping $200,000 per year for those with experience and a proven track record. The opportunities are endless. So, if you're ready to ditch the social media struggle and become a social media wizard, AI is the way to go. Embrace the future and let technology elevate your social media game to new heights. And there you have it, folks. 10 AI skills that are hotter than a jalapeno on a summer day, and they can make you richer than you ever thought possible. Remember, the AI revolution is here, and those who adapt will thrive. So, what are you waiting for? Pick a skill, dive in headfirst, and get ready to level up your life with the power of AI. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which AI skill you're most excited to learn. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep on learning. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.